This is Wright Street, starting at number 59. Mark the service from the curb box. Across the street, got two mains. Got a 12-inch steel high pressure, 6-inch steel low. Bet that sounded fun on video. Got a gas service going to the new construction on the corner. Two mains. Continue on down. This is where the old service goes into the building. Two mains continue on, and then there's a service that goes into number 121, and that's going to be end of locate.